Then the Almighty turned his attention to the sky, which was in the form of smoke. The water vapor that had risen when the earth was created. Or unhappily, Hazrat ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him, said, for example, the heavens were commanded to make the sun, moon and stars to rise from the earth. And it has been said that they were said to be acting speakers. And it is also said that the part of the earth where the Kaaba was built and the part of the sky that spoke correctly spoke. On top of that, Allah knows best. Imam Hassan Basri, may Allah have mercy on him, says that if the heavens and the earth did not confess obedience, they would have been punished, which they would have realized. So in 2 days he made the 7 heavens. On Friday and in every heaven he has ordained that which the angels should ordain, and the heavens and the earth, and he has adorned it with stars which shine on the earth, and who guard the devils who listen to the words of the Most High. In order to ascend, this is the plan of the God who is all-powerful. It is narrated on the authority of Ibn Jarir, may Allah have mercy on him, that the Jews asked the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, about the creation of the heavens and the earth. Created the day and all the benefits in it. And on Wednesday he created the trees, the water, the cities and the population and the desert, so it became 4 days. Explaining this, the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, recited the same verse and said, he created the heavens on Thursday and the stars and the sun and the moon and the angels on the day of Jumu'ah for 3 hours. I caused a calamity in everything from which people benefit, and in the third I created Adam and settled him in paradise. Iblis ordered them to prostrate and drove them out at the last hour. The Jews said, well, the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, what happened after that? Then he ascended to the throne. He said that everything was fine, but he did not say the last thing, and then he rested. The Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, became very angry, and this verse was revealed. Parano. 26, Surah Q38, translation, and the residence, the heavens and the earth, and whatever is between them. All created in 6 days, and we did not feel any more. So bear patience on their words. This hadith is Qurran in the tradition. Hazrat Abu Hurairah says, hold his hand, and said, the Almighty said, Allah has created the mountain on the week, kept the mountains on Sunday. The tree created the day of the tent, and the Makar was born on Wednesday day and spread the animals on the day of Thursday, and after the context of Friday, the birth of Adam was born in the last day of Friday and the enemies were fulfilled. This is the hadith in Muslim and feminine, but it is also of the right to be proud of Imam Bukhari, Rahullah, and said, some of his religions have done Abu Hurairah, and Abrahaya, who has done this to him of Abraham, and this is more right. The Qur'an is a noble book. There is no doubt in this blessed book. There is no evidence for a single verse. There is a clear statement in 8 verses. Are in the care of Almighty Allah, says, Parano. 22, Surah Fatir, 41. Translation, Allah certainly holds the heavens and the earth so that they do not leave their place. If they leave their place, then after Allah there is no one to stop them. Surely Allah is forgiving, merciful. Look at the power and might of Allah Almighty, that the heavens and the earth are established by His command. There is no one else who can stop them and keep them on the system. The guidance is from the Almighty. Parano. 17 Surah Hajj, 65. Translation, have you not seen that Allah has made subservient to you all that is on the earth and the ark which sails in the sea by the command of Allah, and He has restrained the heavens from sinking to the earth without His permission. God is most merciful to the people. In the same way, Allah Almighty holds the earth. Hazrat Ali, as delivered this sermon on it. He, Allah, took the earth into existence and without tangling it, held it evenly and without resting on anything, He maintained it and established it without pillars. Protected it from tilting and kept it from falling to pieces. The ground was initially a fiery sphere. When the earth came into contact with space, it slowly began to cool. There was an abundance of water vapor in the earth. The process of evaporation and condensation started the rainy season, which will continue till the end of time. Allah Almighty created the earth in order. 1. He created the earth first. 2. Then He buried the mountains in it. 3. After that He made the earth habitable. 4. Then He made provision for the creatures.
Friends, if you like this video, please like and share it.